You might have heard the news. Organic certified flavors will be required in all organic products, unless the certified flavor is not commercially available. But what does that even mean? Does your situation qualify for an exemption? And what do you do to maintain your certification while keeping your taste profile? Relax. At FONA, we have you covered. From a wealth of organic certified flavors to regulatory experts on the front lines of the industry, count on getting the guidance you deserve. Let's look at your options and explore what the future looks like for your organic product. Whether it's time to reformulate to organic certified, or if that just isn't a possibility for you, know that you deserve clarity and openness. Let's talk through what these changes mean for you and your team. Email reg@fona.com or visit www.fona.com/chat. We're here to help.